Hello everyone. Are you suffering from repeated cough, cold, allergy, asthma, or any other respiratory problems? So, I have an announcement for all of you. Free medicine is given on the auspicious day of Margashira Purnima on 8th December 2022. That is, one dose of medicine once in a year. The medicine is given by our expert Ayurveda physician in Belagavi, Dr. Shobha Itnar at Sharvari Ayurveda Clinic. This medicine is very tasty and it is mainly prepared using banana and it has no any side effects, and this free medicine is given between the age group of 2 years to 75 years. All are requested to make the best use of it, and the date before which you are supposed to register yourself is on 7/12/2022. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up. Thank you.